In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn text plus titles in DaVinci Resolve. Text plus is Resolve's more powerful title tool, perfect when you want crisp lettering, rich styling, and smooth animation. Let's walk through the essentials so you can add professional titles with confidence. Start by opening DaVinci Resolve and head to the edit page. If you already have a text clip on your timeline, click it to select it so we can refine it. If not, we'll add one now using text plus. On the edit page, open the effects panel. This is where all your tools and templates live. In the list, navigate to titles, then locate Text Plus. Click and drag Text Plus onto your timeline at the point where you want the title to appear. Place it above your video track if you want the text to overlay your footage. Next, select the Text Plus clip on your timeline and look to the inspector panel on the right. This is your control center for content and style. In the text field, type the words you want to display. From here, adjust the font to match your brand or mood, pick a size that reads well on your frame, and set a color that contrasts cleanly with your background. Keep legibility in mind. High contrast and simple, bold fonts are easier to read on smaller screens. Within the inspector, you'll see 4 key styling areas. Use fill to set your main text color. Add an outline to help the letters stand out against busy footage. Subtle thickness often looks best. Shadow creates depth. A soft, slightly offset shadow can improve readability without drawing attention to itself. Finally, the background box adds a colored rectangle behind your text with opacity controls so you can make it solid or semi-transparent. This is especially helpful when the underlying video is bright or complex. When you're ready to animate, you have 2 great options. For quick, clean moves like fading, sliding, or scaling, stay in the edit page and keyframe those properties directly in the inspector. Set the playhead at your starting point, adjust a value, then move forward in time and change it again. Resolve will animate between those points. For advanced, frame by frame, or more intricate motion, switch to the Fusion page. There, Text Plus becomes a node you can animate with fine control over every parameter.